You might release through the body. You might take a moment to settle yourself and feel the parts of your body that are touching the floor. You might lengthen your spine. You might roll through the neck and notice if there's any parts of you that are feeling stressed or tense or tight. Recognizing any points of tension in the body as your body's way of communicating with you. That something there might need some attention. You might pause and place your hand on any part of your body that's feeling tight or complaining in any way, and send it a deep breath. Inhale through the nose, exhale out the mouth, sending one more breath to this place in your body. And you might even offer the mantra, I love you, I'm listening. All right. Now that you're comfortable and you're kind of settling into the body and the breath, I want you to choose an anchor. And your anchor is going to be a place that feels safe, feels steady, feels tangible to you. So it's a place where you can kind of sit your awareness, and that your awareness can rest without a sense of fear or worry or stress. It's a place your awareness can rest. So a lot of people, the breath works for them. So bringing all of your focus and awareness and attention into the breath, inhaling through the nose. Feel the belly fill with air. Pause at the top of the breath. And then exhaling either out the mouth or with the mouth closed, exhaling back out the nose, our Ujjayi breath. Feeling the rise and the fall of the belly. And allowing our awareness, our attention, our focus to rest in the breath. Now, for some people, following the breath feels stressful. They worry that they're not breathing correctly, or because they're focusing attention on their breath, they start feeling like they can't get a deep breath. Or they might have a health condition that makes their breathing more difficult. If that's you, then I want you to place your anchor somewhere else. Some common places would be a contact point where you feel your body touching the earth or the ground, and you feel the stability and solidness of the ground, or your chair, or a pillow, or whatever is holding you. So try a few breaths with your anchor in your contact points, all right? So let's gently close the eyes or soften the gaze. And inhale. Feel the awareness of the contact points. Feel yourself grounded. You might notice the temperature of the ground touching your body. You might notice the texture or quality of the floor underneath you or your seat underneath you. You might feel yourself just really held and supported. Feel the solidness underneath you. Feel connected to something bigger than you. And see if you can find a sense of rest in that. Feel yourself touching the floor, touching a chair. And anytime a thought comes into your mind, try really hard not to judge yourself Remember, brains secrete thoughts. That's what they do. Just like your salivary glands secrete saliva. So the practice is not to have a mind that doesn't think. The practice is to redirect our focus back into the contact points, back into the breath, back into your anchor. All right, I'm going to offer you one more anchor today as we practice dropping into the body and training the mind to find a place of rest. So we can get out of the looping of the brain that typically creates stress in the body. Okay? Our last anchor is going to be what we've been working with already, and that is this inner body, as Eckhart Tolle would refer. So that sense of aliveness or the hum of energy that typically feels most alive for me in my fingers and toes and in the space around my heart. So taking some breaths, eyes closed or gaze softened. And trying to rest our awareness into that sensation of the inner body. The aliveness we feel in fingertips and toes. The energy that hums and dances around our heart. With each breath, really feeling into those places and allowing our awareness to truly rest in this aliveness that lives within us. Maybe bringing particular attention right now to the space around your heart. With each breath, sinking deeper into that space. Letting each exhale maybe widen the field of awareness around your heart. Maybe even visualizing a bright white light around your heart at your very center. With each exhale, allow that light to grow wider and brighter until it fills your whole body with light, with peace, with presence. Anytime a thought comes in, gently using the breath and the awareness of this aliveness in the body, this inner body, to come back to this place of rest by feeling into the body. With your next exhale, see if that light can expand beyond the borders of your body, feeling your presence widen into the room, into the space around you, like you're radiating light, you're radiating love. You're radiating this aliveness and stillness. When you're ready, open your eyes, hands to prayer. Your practice this week is to watch your busy mind. When you notice that you're lost in thought, wake up, make the separation. Recognize that here is the thought and here is you, the awareness, the consciousness, and find a place to rest your consciousness that is not part of this busy, stressful thought chain. Rest it in the breath. Rest it in the ground underneath you. Rest it in the aliveness in your fingertips and toes or your heart. Even one conscious breath with the intention to take you back to that place of rest can shift your entire day. Certainly can shift one moment. And that's how we work this practice, one moment at a time, over and over and over again. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'll see you next week. Namaste.
Thanks for practicing with us. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more information and support to help you build a life of passion and purpose that you love. Don't forget to download your free mini course